Hello students, now I am going to discuss consistency of the data and the conditions for consistency of three attributes. Okay, for consistency of the data, consistency basically means a set of class frequency that may be defined as the property that none of them are negative. Okay, otherwise the data for class frequencies are said to be inconsistent if it is negative. All should be positive. And students, if a class A is 20 and class AB is 25, that means this data is inconsistent. If AB is greater than A and it is observed from the same population, then this data is an inconsistent data. The AB must be less than this A. So here students, now I am discussing conditions for consistency of attributes. So the first condition is class of A greater than or equal to 0. As I told you, it should be positive. 0 is a positive integer, no? So it should be either equal to or greater than 0. Then the second one is, it is alpha greater than or equal to 0. That means the A class can be less than or equal to capital N. Students, this is nothing but equation 1 we are making. Then another, this is for one attribute. Okay, one attribute. We are going to do for three attributes, no, as per question. So this is for one attribute, ATTRIBUTE. Another one I am going to show you for two attributes. Okay, TWO2 attributes, ATTRIBUTES. So for two attributes, first one is, I am going to tell class of AB greater than or equal to 0. Or it can be second one, A beta greater than or equal to 0. Implies students, if it is AB can be less than or equal to A. I'll give you an easy way to understand, student. If it is alpha B, it should be greater than or equal to 0, implies AB, class of AB less than or equal to B. Students, if it is A beta, this is beta. If it is A beta greater than or equal to 0, A capital A is there, no? This capital A will be written here, AB less than. If it is alpha beta, B is there, no? This B will be here, greater than and less than. Yes, you need to remember. Now for the fourth one, students, if it is alpha beta greater than or equal to 0, it will be, students, AB greater than or equal to A class plus B class minus of N. Okay. So here students, this is for two attributes. Okay. Now I will show for three attributes, because we have one attribute completed, two attributes completed, three. Three attributes. Okay. Three attributes. The first one is ABC greater than or equal to 0. Then the second one is A, capital A, B and gamma, alpha, beta, gamma, no, gamma greater than or equal to 0. If you are writing alpha, beta, gamma greater than or equal to 0, then it will be implied as ABC less than or equal to, we are left with AB, no? Just understand it like this, AB you write. Now if you have the third property as gamma, I wrote here, I will write A, beta and C greater than or equal to 0 implies I will write A, B, C less than or equal to what is left, A and C, no? I will write here A and C class. So here for the fourth one, students, if it is alpha, B, C greater than or equal to 0, it will be nothing but A, B, C. What is left here? B and C, no? Just think it like this, B and C class. Okay. Now, if you have fifth one, now if you are having A, here it is A, beta and gamma. If you are having something like this greater than or equal to 0, it will be equal to A, B and C greater than or equal to AB plus BC minus of A. If you have something like this, A will be written AB plus BC minus of A. If you have something V1, sixth one, if you have something alpha, B and gamma, okay, greater than or equal to 0 implies the same ABC will be same, students, and it will be same greater than or equal to, here it is opposite, here it is same, it will be greater than or equal to what is left, students? B, no? So AC plus BC minus of AC plus CA, CA, AC plus C, AC, A and alpha, B and gamma, it will be AB, here it is AB plus BC minus D, students. Here if it is A beta gamma, it will be AB plus AC, students. AC, AB and AC. Here if it is if this beta B is there, it will be AB and AC. Here if here A is there, it will be AB and AC here, AB, AC. Here B is there, AB and BC. Here AB and BC with B minus. If now tell me, students, if it is here alpha, beta and C greater than or equal to 0, it will be what? ABC class greater than or equal to, here it is AC, C is there, no? Plus BC minus AC in class, BC in class minus this C, because you have C here. Now this was for three attributes. Then students, V111. Eighth one is, if you have alpha, beta and gamma here greater than or equal to 0, you will be writing it as A, B, C in bracket, make it less than or equal to AB plus BC plus CA, AB, BC, CA minus of A, minus of B, minus of C, minus of B, minus of C, I am writing here minus n students, plus n students. This is for 3 attributes. All this was for 3 attributes. The first one for 1 attribute, second one for 2 attributes, the third one is for 3 attributes, students. So after that, students, this is what the answer is. After this, students, thank you for listening to my lecture. Please like, share and subscribe.